SNS up on that art show. And it's that mother loving art show. I bet your mother love my art show. So, what up? Go ahead and break that up, Chris. You know what to do with that, boy. We don't follow trends, nigga, we them trendsetters. Supreme jackets made of wool, but the sleeves leather. A couple hits of that weed help me breathe better. Walk in the shop, taking some of that shit all on my sweater. Luther Vandross flow, yeah, always and forever. Excited about future and present endeavors. Tailor-made for the top, shit, it suit me better. Life be teaching and I am present for all its lectures. I put my niggas in verses, how unique of me. And only lust for women that lust for life in boutiqueries. All these rappers liars, man, nothing is what it seems to be. I'm just spitting facts, turn me up and let your speakers bleed. It's very rarely that the truth get told. And them ain't OG4s, them just 4s that are old. I'm into selling records, but I never sell my soul. That's some cold ass pimping, future talking, you should listen. And something like a phenomenon. And something like a phenomenon. Something like a phenomenon. Niggas ain't eating when I'm present, it's Ramadan. It's okay. I gotta get it, I gotta get it, I gotta get it, I gotta get it, we good. I gotta get it, I gotta get it, I gotta get it, I gotta get it, Raised by the underworld, ear to the underground. Success weighs heavy on my mind like £1,000,000. Shit, I'm my nana's baby, my mother's favorite child. And confidence was a dental fix to my broken smile. My grandfather looking at me, so I know he proud. Lens crafter through the laughter, yeah, I'm focused now. I hope they never forget me like the Kobe trial. It's evident that I'm gifted like Oprah's crowd. The Bruce Bowen, the flowing, oh yes, you know he foul. But I've been feeling like LeBron here for quite a while. Yeah, I've been feeling like LeBron here for quite a while. The one to make groupie-ish fans out of a solid crowd. But it seemed like a race against time. Open heart surgery, I put my heart in every line. Lead what Wale say in that one rhyme. That hype get you admired every single time. But I'm something like a phenomenon. And I'm something like a phenomenon. And I'm something like a phenomenon. Niggas ain't eating when I'm present, it's Ramadan. It's okay. I gotta get it, I gotta get it, I gotta get it, I gotta get it, we good. I gotta get it, I gotta get it, I gotta get it, I gotta get it, The coin toss going up, they ain't wishing me well. Shit, I'm more afraid of failure than I am of hell. My mama proud of me, shit, I never seen a jail. She told me I could rule the world, but didn't give me details. Capri Suns, joints rolled in seashells. If I offend anybody here, know I mean well. We all dreaming for the top. Let's just hope when we get there that we don't drop. It's fab, nigga. Red Spark Stacks Rose. SNS rep it all day. What's up, Kings? Gone.